Here's 7 shocking facts about owning a Bugatti that'll make you question your whole life choices. Number 1. $20,000 oil change. 20 bands just to change the oil, bro. That ain't oil. That's probably baby dolphin juice mixed with Elon Musk's sweat. And what's wild? Rich people do it like it's a Friday coffee run. Oh, oil change? Just charge the black card. Number 2. $35,000 for tires. Yes, tires. That touch the floor. 4 dirty rubber circles that cost more than your car and your rent combined. And the rich homie be like, yeah, I change them every year just for fun. You ever hated someone quietly? Number 3. $30,000 just for a checkup. You bring your car in, they stare at it, wink and say, looks good. And boom, $30,000 gone. Bugatti out here doing voodoo pricing and rich people just nod like, thanks, bro. Me, I'm arguing over $40 brakes at AutoZone. Number 4, $100,000 rims. $100,000 for rims that can't even jump a curb. Rich folks get a little curb rash and just throw the whole car away like, it's scratched. Meanwhile, we over here fixing dents with hot water and prayers. Number 5, $5,000 a month for insurance. That's not insurance. That's a car tax for the privilege of breathing near it. Rich people don't even flinch. They just set that on auto pay and go back to sipping $18 smoothies made out of grass and attitude. Number 6, 8 miles per gallon. This car don't drink gas. It chugs it like it's sad. You press the gas pedal once and it's already begging for more. Rich dude pulls up to the pump, fills it with premium, doesn't even look at the price. Meanwhile, I'm over here praying the $15 I put in makes it home. Number 7, repairs that cost your soul. You break a mirror and Bugatti hits you with, yeah, that's gonna be $70,000. Rich folks don't even ask why. They just go, hey, I'll fly it to France to fix it. Fly it? Bro, I can't even fly me to Florida. So why do rich people own Bugattis? Because they don't care about money. They care about flexing pain. You don't buy it for comfort. You buy it so people stare at you like you own the sun. You want to flex? Cool. Just don't cry when your car declines during an oil change and the mechanic offers you a job.